So hi friend, this is Amit and you're at my channel Information and Educational Video. So here I am with the day 4 analysis and review regarding the AEEE exam, that is Amrita entrance exam that is going on, as many of you have already appeared. So today I'm going to provide you day 4 all shift analysis, that is complete information regarding the examination of AEEE. So here, if you are first to my channel, please try to subscribe the channel, as you will be getting everything until you get into the college, that is Amrita University, as well as other entrance exam, other counseling also. You will be getting the update in the same channel. So first of all, I would like to tell you, this year AEEE is asking a typical question that is never asked earlier. They are asking a tough question in the AEEE. Generally, if you go on any website on Google, you will able to check AEEE is one of the easiest exams, but this year it is not true. It is also because of the timing, but the fact is the difficulty has been increased this year. So today was also the same, but most of the shift, that is first shift, third shift, was a little bit more tougher than previous days of examination as per the students feedback that I have got, because they were well prepared. Even then they were not able to attempt all the questions in the required time, because they find it a little bit difficult, and also the shortage of time. So first of all, if you go with the mathematics, it was totally difficult. Neither it is easy nor it is moderate. It was difficult because maximum question we are asked, that is 50% question you can say from conic section, calculus, matrices determinant, vector 3D. Vector 3D and matrices determinant question were easy, but too much time taking because the calculation was more and it was lengthy. If you go for conic section and calculus, if you know the concept in detail and you have done the enough practice, then only you will able to get the good score. Otherwise it will be a negative mark for you. So the important thing is that you need to focus on this chapter a little bit more in the upcoming days if you are going for phase 2 as well. So here I would like to introduce about my complete mentorship and guidance program. If you want, you can contact me so that I will guide you to get the best result in the phase 2, as well as for the complete counseling process to get the best out of your result, with best out of your rank, that is the best branch and best campus of Amrita University. So if you want, you can contact me, as I have already guided lots of students who were registered with me in last 5 years and this year also for phase 1. So if you want, you can contact. So now if you talk about the chemistry, then it was easy to moderate, you can say. Today there was a little bit easy question also, particularly from inorganic and physical chemistry, but organic again was very tough. Now if you talk about the important chapter from chemistry, then again surface chemistry, solid state, electrochemistry, chemical bonding, atomic structure, periodic table, as well as SPDF block of element, and also the equilibrium chapter. So these are the chapters from where they have asked the maximum question, and biomolecules and polymer as well. Now if you go to the physics section, it was totally moderate paper, neither easy nor hard, because the thing is here formula based and theoretical question has been asked. That is, it was not too much calculative, too much lengthy. It was a very straightforward question. If you know the detailed concept of the chapter, you will able to solve very easily. So now if you talk about the overall difficulty, so moderate to difficult, you can say, in context of AEEE paper, not like JEE Mains, because it can't be more tougher than JEE Mains. In JEE Mains also you got more time, but here you got very less time. So how it can be more tougher than JEE Mains? But here the toughness was more due to the time also. So this was the complete analysis and review regarding the phase 1 examination of AEEE 2023 day 4. All 3 steps I have provided you the information. So now if you talk about the phase 2, that will be done in the month of May. As you also know, 5 to 11 it has been scheduled. I think the schedule will change because there is very less gap between first and second phase. Then what is the use of second phase? People will not able to get more concept in the remaining 5-6 days. So I don't think that will be helpful for the student, but there is a chance that the date will be changed. Once it will change, I will try to inform you. So thanks again for watching this video. Please try to subscribe the channel so that you will be getting everything at the right time. If you need the complete mentorship and guidance, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. There is a nominal charge applicable. Thank you.